About sa ano sir, sa project natin, since this is 4-story lang technically, 'di ba?
It's
So
for 5-story.
5-story kasi on the ground level you have your commercial spaces. And
Yes.
those are also for sale.
Yes, because there's a lot of activities here, commercial, aside from residential. No? So this community is a mixed development, residential, commercial, even worship and different leisure and gaming industry. This area.
Yes. And also, since groundbreaking natin ngayon, yung price natin are on the introductory price and we have mga ongoing promotions as well.
Yes,
Right?
just on this launching date, we're giving a 20% discount for the early buyers, no? On especially on cash basis. And can you imagine if this is 3.5, you get 20%. That's already 700,000 discount.
Yeah. Oo.
So some have already availed of that, especially your buyers.
Yes, we already have our cash buyers and even deferred and back
Yes.
financing. We have also a lot of payment options, diba, no, sir?
Yes, of course. And this will be built in so short a time because we're using the technology of steel frame, steel column and beams, and this should be done in less than 2 years.
Oh,
And I was told by our structural engineer this can be roof in 6 months' time.
oh. So basically, when it comes to the construction, mabilis din siya, but without compromising the quality.